We're here today at the 2022 Apple Festival in Lincoln, North Carolina. I'm Rusty Wise.
And I'm Jermaine Gash.
And we are with the Wise News Network. We're here today to explore the fun and festivities of the Lincoln, North Carolina Apple Festival. We're going to see what kind of apples they have, what goodies they have, and maybe what favorite apple people have. What do you think, Jermaine?
Yeah, and also what type of recipes? How many recipes can you make out of apples?
Probably a ton. But we're getting ready to find out. We're going to explore the festival. We'll come back with you later. Thanks, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Tim Johnson. He knows a lot about the festival here, the 2022 Apple Festival. Tim, big crowd. Tell us a little bit about it.
I tell you, Rusty, 50 years, back in 1972 is when the Lincoln County Apple Festival first organized. And it started out like about anywhere from 7,000 to 8,000 up to 12,000 people. And as you see right now, Rusty, just take a look behind you. They're estimating up to 40 to 50,000 people, but I'm gonna tell you right now, there'll be more than that. I mean, there'll be more than 50,000 people here.
Now, crowd control is a big concern. Tell us a little bit about the safety things that are in place.
Yeah, thanks to our Chief Jordan, the City Police Department here in Lincolnton. They have got the police department here today, and they take care of our all the needs and stuff like that of our community-wise. So is the Sheriff's Department. Bill Beam, our sheriff from Lincoln County, he's here as well. You got the fire department, you got the EMS, you got a lot of great people here in Lincoln that just puts forth the effort and stuff like that to make this a wonderful occasion.
Wow. Now, what's your favorite apple or recipe? What's your favorite apple?
Well, I love apple pie, no doubt about that. Apple cider too, that's huge right here. You get apple pies and apple cider, all types of apple from your red delicious to the golden delicious, just all types of apples. And they're all over. I mean, you can just walk anywhere downtown Lincoln and you can find them on every corner.
Wow. Tim Johnson knows a lot about the event, a lot about Lincoln County. He's a celebrity in our parts. So appreciate you doing this interview. And we may grab a few apples before we leave. I'm Rusty Wise with the Wise News Network with Tim Johnson. Thanks, guys.
As the first time, what do you think so far?
A lot of people, but I'm a people person, so if you like people and you like being around, like seeing people happy, it's a great time.
With Jermaine, as we closed the Apple Festival out, it was a big crowd, huge crowd. Yeah, it was. What's your takeaway from the Apple Festival, Jermaine?
Wow. Well, it was definitely much bigger than we anticipated. I think much bigger than they anticipated. Wonderful crowd, amazing food. I'm a huge candy apple lover, so any place I can go and get candy apples, got my heart.
Plenty of apples, a lot of varieties. People told us what they like, the candied apples and regular apples, all kind of recipes out there. So we really enjoyed it. Beautiful day, just beautiful. From myself, Rusty Wise.
And Jermaine Gash.
And from the Wise News Network, we'll say so long and see you again. And if you like our videos, share them, like them, subscribe. We need your support in local communities. So do that, and we'll talk to you later.
See you guys.